Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how easy it is to do a copycat recipe of the Uncle Ben's long grain rice. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. Today I'm going to do a pressure cooker copycat recipe of the Uncle Ben's long grain and wild rice mix. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the recipe. Go ahead, take the cover off of your electric pressure cooker, and now we're going to sit there and add 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon. Go ahead, add that. 1 teaspoon of the dried minced onion. Half a teaspoon of the dried parsley. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. Now let's go ahead and add 2 cups water. Two tablespoons butter. 1.5 teaspoons salt. 1/2 teaspoon pepper. 1/3 cup of the wild rice. And 2 cups of the long grain rice. Now, give that all a somewhat of a good stir inside of your pressure cooker, so we get all the rice down into the liquid and we kind of get all the herbs and seasonings all evenly distributed. Let's go ahead, put your cover on. Come up here, close your vent. Okay, I don't know if I have it in shot, but okay. Now we're gonna come down here, put it on high, and we're gonna put it on 30 minutes. And we're gonna start it. And then we're gonna sit there and do a quick release. Alright, my electric pressure cooker has just sounded off, and now I'm gonna sit there and go up here and we're gonna do a quick release. And in case you're wondering what's underneath here, that's gonna be in the video, but that is homemade yogurt. Once all the pressure inside has been released, go ahead, open up your electric pressure cooker and always open it up away from you. I'm gonna go grab a spoon. I'm gonna go ahead, turn this off, and let's go ahead and give you a quick look on in the inside. And there is our Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice.
Now, if you like what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. But most of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my video. And y'all come back now. You hear?